Back in here with another video. This is my Chevy Silverado. I take this out. Take that part off. Today we will be installing. Boom. So to install it, you have a couple screws. You got this one, this one, this one. Down there, and it should be a fourth one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these screws loose. You're going to need the Star headset, one of these stars. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, so we got the 4 screws off. This is my first time installing this too, you guys. Never did nothing like this before. See this somewhere. Here's my old one. Oh wow, look what I see, y'all. Fucking dog food and shit. What is this? So we're gonna have to clean that out. Alright, be back. So now this was so dirty, y'all. Dog food or cat food in it. I don't know. I don't even own it. Easy breezy. All you do is put your lid back on, put your 4 screws back down, and you're good. Appreciate everybody stopping by. Check out the video. It is a pretty easy install. I was watching some videos on cold air intakes, so that's why I just went ahead and got one of these instead of getting a cold air intake, because I heard it can't mess up your car. Drop in the comment section to see if that's true. I want to get you guys' thoughts. But also, I got this too. The trunk cover. Yeah. Alright, well, guys, since we're already here, that light comes on because I think I need another gas cap. Let's keep saying that on my meter. But we just installed this K&M air filter. Finna take it for a little drive and see what it does. I ain't gonna go that far for real. Just see what it really gonna do. So far, it does sound real good, though. Oh, yeah, she moving. Y'all, she sounds great. Oh, she's moving. Ew! And it's actually got a little sound to it, you guys, but to be honest with you. Also, I got it from Advanced Auto Parts. I don't know how I got it so cheap, but I got it for $50. $50 and I think 97 cents, you guys. So if you got an Advanced Auto Parts near you and you want to decide to get one of these K&M air filters, they should have it. I would definitely give them a call, because normally those air filters at AutoZone are like $126, $130, just for the air filter replacement. So gonna get a little pull. Oh yeah, she moving. She sound better, y'all. Ain't gonna do too much coming up in here. All right, I recommend it. Let's roll.